gosh, y'all. So my chicken is done. How good does this look, right? Can't wait to cut this up. It looks really good. It was super easy. Yum, can't wait to bite into this. It's Sunday setup time. Hello my friends, welcome to Sunday Setup. Girl, I have a lot to do, and guess what, it is already 5 o'clock. We had a birthday party to go to today. I just got back from Kroger, so I'm gonna cook dinner. I've got to get the girls clothes ready. I have a lot of laundry to fold and do, and I still have to upload a video for today. But before we get into the grocery haul, look at how beautiful my office is. If you saw last week's video, which I need to upload right now, you know, I show how I added my curtains and cleaned off my desk and changed it all around. I love it so much. So make sure to watch that video. If you haven't seen it, you can tap this eye right here. But first things first, I gotta get my groceries put away, and then I have to start dinner, and then I'm going to fold clothes because I'm backed up on folding clothes. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I am going to Costco and Sam's Club tomorrow because we just need a whole bunch of stuff, especially snacks for the girls and eggs and stuff like that. The girls have been wanting eggs for breakfast, so we're going through eggs a lot quicker. But anyway, let me just show you what I got from Kroger really quick. Of course, I got some strawberries and raspberries and an onion. I like to get my strawberries from Kroger as opposed to Costco because the container from Costco is so big, sometimes we don't eat them all before they go bad. And lately they hadn't been really that good, but the ones from Kroger are better to me. And then sometimes they have raspberries at Costco and sometimes they don't, so I just decided to get it from Costco. So, and then I also got a yellow onion, got a red bell pepper, a tomato, fresh spinach, a zucchini, a cucumber, and I had to get some more seasonings because I made a brisket in the oven last week, and so I used most of my rubs, and so I replenished this one, this applewood rub. I love this one, it tastes so good. And then I decided to try this because I'm cooking an oven roaster whole chicken today. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer, and so I plan on using this and a few other seasonings for that. I'm all out of olive oil. I typically get my olive oil from Aldi, but I haven't been to Aldi in like months, so I need to go back, and so I just decided to get this from Kroger. Of course, the chunky blue cheese, we keep this all the time. Almost every time I go to Kroger, I buy one. We love it so much. They're on sale this week. Some fresh kale, because I'm gonna make a kale salad probably this week. I'm also gonna make like spaghetti and meat sauce, and this oven roaster chicken. We'll probably eat off of this for 2 days, but we'll see. And then I got a spaghetti squash for when I make the spaghetti and meat sauce for hubby and I, because we're eating ketogenically. And then of course I got some eggs because we were all out of eggs. And so that is it. And guess how much I cost, girl? Altogether it cost $66. So actually, matter of fact, where's my receipt? It cost $66.15. Now the olive oil was pretty expensive. That was $13.99. And then the oven roaster chicken was $11. And then everything else was just, you know, mostly fresh fruits and vegetables. And the seasoning, you know, seasonings can get expensive. I try to buy them on sale, but they can get expensive. Like the applewood rub was $6.99 and the other one was $4.79. So it is what it is. Let me go ahead and get this stuff put away so I can get my oven roaster chicken in the air fryer. This is my first time making it in the air fryer too, so we'll see how it goes. So before I cook, I always like to make sure that the dishes are done and the dishwasher is empty, so I could put anything that needs to be disinfected right straight in the dishwasher. And I always like to make sure that my sink is clean and everything like that. It just makes it easier for me to clean up as I cook. Alright y'all, so just finished the dishes and now I'm washing or disinfecting the sink so that I can clean my chicken in here. I'm gonna spatchcock it. I think that's how you say it, but it's basically taking the backbone out of the chicken so that it'll cook easier. This is kind of like a bigger chicken. It's 6 pounds. All the videos that I've watched usually do a 2 to 3 pounder, so I'm just hoping it'll fit in my air fryer. If not, I will put it in the oven, no problem. So let me go ahead and rinse this, open up my chicken, and get started. Okay, here are the seasonings that I'm gonna use. I just bought it all down before I open up the chicken and stuff. I'm gonna use this Mr. Sticks, just add butter. I really like this. I've tried it on some chicken earlier this week after I cooked them, like chicken tenders, and I melted some butter and I added the seasoning to it. It was really good. So I'm gonna plan on adding this to some melted butter to pour all over my chicken. I'm also going to use some black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, garlic, onion powder, garlic salt, lightly on that because you don't want it to be too salty. Rotisserie chicken, this seasoning that I just bought from Kroger, some poultry seasoning, a little bit of applewood rub, and some paprika. I'll smell it to see how it smells, and then we'll just go from there. All right, y'all, my hands are clean. The chicken is clean. I had to do it off camera because there was a lot going on, and I had my husband cut the camera off so I can make sure, you know, everything was disinfected properly. Anyways, I prepared the bottom of my air fryer, put some fresh lemon and some slices of onion. It smells so good. So I'm gonna place the chicken on top of this. I'm gonna season it on my cutting board and then drizzle it with melted butter and that garlic and herb, and then we'll go from there. Pepper gets me every time. I'm gonna add a little bit of smoked paprika, just a touch. That's enough. It's really strong. Yeah, it smells good. I use my nose. If it smells good, then you know that's good. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the seasoning and sprinkle it at the bottom here, just to have the bottom of the chicken seasoned. And now I'm gonna put the chicken in. I hope it all fits. She fits, I think. Right? Yeah, she's fitting. And now I'm gonna take my seasoning. I'm not using my hand, y'all, I promise. I'm gonna go on like this. Just rub her down. Alrighty, hands are clean. I took a half a stick of butter and then I added a couple of the rubs. Sorry, the girls are so loud. I added the applewood rub, just add Mr. Sticks, and the new rub that I just bought from Kroger today. So now I'm just gonna pour this all over and pop this in the air fryer, probably at 380 because I can't do 375. And I'll check it after about 45 minutes. She's good to go. I'm gonna pop her in. All right, I gotta figure out if I need to put it on air fryer or roast. All right, I'm just going to set it on air fryer and do 370. I'm gonna do 30 minutes. I'll see what she's looking like after 30 minutes and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, time check. It is kind of late, 6:19, but we will eat a home cooked meal tonight. So now that the chicken's in the air fryer, I'm ready to sit down and get a little bit of work done. Even though it's close to 6:30 at this point, it's okay. I still am planning to get all the things that I need to get done this week. And I'm also going to sit with my planner and kind of plan out the week and decide what days I'm going to film, anything that I have to do with the girls. Just sit down and make sure that I know everything that's happening this week and it's all written down so that I don't forget. For my planner, I've been using a multicolor kind of plan for it, where everybody has a different color. Every activity has a different color. So my husband has a color, Zara and Ava, and then we have a color for cheer, and then we have a color for swim. We have a color for gymnastics. Their personal color is their color for school, like when they have their tests, when certain things are due, or certain school activities, like we had the book fair or whatever. And it's actually been working out pretty well for me. I really like it. I use these Frixion pens that are multicolored and they're erasable, so it really makes it easy so that everything could look nice and neat. I will link the Frixion pens in the description box. I ordered them off of Amazon.
So, guys, my mom finished the chicken.
Yes.
Can you open that for me?
Okay, and we're gonna show you it since our mom's busy. So
Okay,
it looks
look at
so delicious.
It has to be exactly at 165 degrees so that it's fully finished. And it's practically like half of the side over here is at like 170. And this side over here is like 160. So we have
165.
Oh, 165. So, yeah.
Alright, y'all. So my chicken is done. How good does this look, right? I can't wait to cut this up. So I ended up putting it back in. So I think I cooked it for 30 minutes, and then I cooked it for another 15 minutes, and then I cooked it for 5 minutes at 370, I think, or it was 360, 10 degrees less than what I originally put it on. And now it's done, and it looks really good. It was super easy. Yum, can't wait to bite into this. I forgot to tell you guys what I had with this, but I made zucchini noodles. Here's the chicken. The girls had baked sweet potato, and now we get to eat. It's a little bit late. It's 8:09, but we're getting the things done that we need to get done. Look at my plants. They're doing great, even though there's a little bit mold on there. So I'm not gonna water this one. This one doesn't really need a lot of water, and I think I might have overwatered it. So if you have any tips on how to get rid of that mold, maybe I'll put a little cinnamon in there. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to get a mister for this one because it doesn't really, but it's growing wonderfully. And now this one is just thriving. If you guys remember, I bought these from Costco. Oh, this one's molded too. Oh, what do I do? I only water them once a week on Sundays. This one never made it, and that cacti is a winter bloom. It should be blooming soon. I'll probably water this one. I only water this one maybe once every couple of weeks. This I just need to let go because she's gone. This one is thriving. Just thriving. Like I said, I just water them once a week. I got these from Costco like in the springtime, so it's doing great. Y'all, I'm pooped. How about the chicken? Was absolutely delicious. The girls loved it. They ate like the whole thing. Hubby and the girls and myself, we ate the whole 6-pound chicken. So we're not gonna have leftovers, which is fine because I plan on making spaghetti. That's why I bought the spaghetti squash for my husband and I, and I'll just make regular spaghetti for the girls, spaghetti and meat sauce. Tomorrow we'll eat that for 2 days, and then I have some shrimp. Maybe we'll have the shrimp on Wednesday, and then I'll have to find something for Thursday. But I do plan on going to, I have a meeting tomorrow morning at 11:30, so I'll probably only have time to go to Sam's tomorrow, which is fine. I'll just pick some stuff up, and then on Tuesday I'm gonna go to Costco, probably. Yeah, I have a lot of filming to do this week just to get caught up because we've been so busy. It's like, it's like I can't even keep up with uploading videos. But anyway, that is it, my friends. I feel really good today. For me to get started at 5 o'clock, I cooked dinner. I, straightened up the kitchen, and I planned for my week, which is great. That means I'm on my way. I'm really, really excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Have a great week.